Welcome to all to the e-learning online course on designing e-resources by Kendriya Vidyalaya Sangathan, Zonal Institute of Education and Training, Mumbai. We welcome all the participants of Batch 4 of Raipur region to this online course. Let us have a quick look at the course content. We start with managing files and folders. As all of you are preparing a lot of material to be used in classroom teaching, you have to manage them properly so that it can be used by you and it can be shared with children. An introduction to MS Word, as it is highly useful for preparing handouts and question papers. And preparing PowerPoint presentation with narrations and converting the same to video. Highly interesting. Normally, all of us will be preparing PowerPoint presentations that can be used in classroom teaching. The same PowerPoint presentation, if it is prepared with your own narrations, then a child can have a better understanding, and the same PowerPoint presentation with the narration can be converted into a video for use. If you have made a video, how to upload it in the YouTube so that the child can use it at any time. And all of you will be conducting quiz, but it will be highly interesting if you prepare online quiz, which is highly interactive. The children will be liking it. And whenever you are teaching online teaching, then if the worksheets are little bit interactive, then it will be highly useful for the children to learn the concepts. Therefore, preparing interactive worksheets using free open software. Now, whatever the material you have prepared, how to store it and sharing the resources prepared. Then documenting all content online through a blogger. All of them will be covered in the course. The contents of the course is shared through a dedicated URL for training to KV teachers in Yaksh platform. The URL is created by FOSSEE, Free, Libre and Open Source Software for Education, a project team of Indian Institute of Technology, Bombay. We sincerely thank the FOSSEE team for creating a dedicated URL for the training of Kendriya Vidyalaya teachers and allowing the Kendriya Vidyalaya teachers to use their Yaksh platform. Self-learning contents through Yaksh. The self-learning contents of the course are prepared in the form of videos. You have to learn by seeing the videos which are uploaded in the Yaksh platform. What you have to do? You have to log in to https://kvszitrg.fossw.in to register and view the contents. Let us start. What you have to do? Go to this kvszitrg.fossee.in. There are two options, login and password. This can be done after you have registered. But now your job is to get registered as a new user. Click it. Here there are so many particulars you have to fill very carefully. For example, you have to give your username. You have to give a valid email ID. You can select your own password, confirm the password, give your first name, give your last name. Here in roll number, you give your employee code. In the institute, you write the name of your KV. In the department, you write KVS. In the position, you write your designation. I repeat once again. You have to select a username, give a valid email ID, create a password for this Yaksh platform, confirm the password, give your first name, give your last name. In the roll number, you can write your employee code. For example, I am writing 50507. Is my employee code. In the institute, you write your name of your KV. Name of KV you write. In the department, you write your KVS. And in the position, you write your designation. I think all of you can understand this better. Name of your KV in institute, in department KVS, and write your designation. Okay. Now let me take the username as participant, and you are in batch number 4. Okay, well, email ID. I will take this email ID. Okay, then password. I will select some password I'm typing, and again I'm typing some password. Okay, well, now first name. Let me write my name. You have to give your name. M. Srinivasan I have given. In the roll number, once again I repeat, in the roll number you write your employee code, and in the institute write the name of your Kendriya Vidyalaya, and in the department you write KVS, and in student faculty you write your designation, a PRT or TGT or PGT, whatever may be. Then you click register. It will get registered now. Okay, well, go back to your email ID, that email which you have registered there. There you will get one webmaster Yaksh email verification. Immediately you will get it. Please give the valid email ID. Okay, and remember the password which you have typed over there. Click it. Now, to activate your account and verify your email ID, click the following link. I am clicking it. Okay, now my account is activated now, and my name is also coming on the top. Okay, this is the way to activate your account in the Yaksh platform. Remember, you have to go to this kvszeatrg.fossw.in. Okay, after that, click home. Okay, now you are having Yaksh demo course. Please don't touch it. I repeat, Yaksh demo course, don't touch it. In the course code, you type RAIPUR 4. I repeat once again, in the box, in the search box, you type RAIPUR 4 because you are in batch 4. Click search. You see, immediately online course on designing e-resources Raipur batch 4 will open. I repeat, in the search box, type RAIPUR, all small letters, 4 number, and then click search. Now you enroll. I have made the enrollment as open. Immediately you will get enrolled. Okay, enrolled in the course by me. Online course, once again 2 courses are there. Again I repeat, don't touch this Yaksh demo course. Don't touch this Yaksh demo course. It is already deactivated. Online course on designing e-resources, you have enrolled it. Click start. Again you see, online course you have come inside and 0% completed. Again you are here. Again click start. Yes, you are entered the course now. This is the first introduction of the course. Online education. About online education, something is written over there, and you read it, and these are all the topics which we are going to cover, and then click start. On the left side you are seeing so many lessons are there. You are going to see all the lessons one after the other in order, and every day you are going to answer quiz and assignments also. Okay, now after reading this, click start. Okay, now you have entered lesson number 1. Now you are seeing the symbol over here. This is currently on. You can click it to make it into a full page. Read it. It is telling you what do you mean by managing files and folders. Below that, you are having one video embedded. You can watch this video by clicking. Welcome to the e-learning online course on designing e-resources by Zonal Institute. In every lesson, you will be having a video embedded. You can watch those videos carefully and then learn, because quiz and assignments will be based on these videos only. After you have watched this video, you have to go to next. Remember, every video will be of maximum 10 to 12 or 14 minutes only. Click next. After watching this video, now you are going to the next one. Online course MS Word. The second one, you have reached the second one. Okay. Now, some of you may be interested to jump. For example, I have seen the first one and I am seeing the second one. You may be interested to jump to the third one or the fourth one. Okay, let us see what actually happens when you jump. For example, I have watched only the first one. Now the second one is in progress. I go down, go down, go down. Okay, let me see what is this hot potatoes. I click it. It will not allow you to jump. It is telling you, you have not completed previous lesson or exercise. Come back, click start. It will go back to the which one which you have already completed. Again I repeat, friends, please don't try to jump. You cannot jump. You have to go in order. Suppose if you want to read the fourth one, you should have seen 1, 2, 3. If you want to see the fifth one, you should have seen 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Okay. Now, this is a very simple one. You in every chapter, you are having a video embedded. Please see the video. As I told you earlier, all the videos are very, very small, maximum 10 to 14 or 13 minutes only. You can press this to make it into a full page. See all the videos, and quiz and assignments will be given every day. It will be based on maximum 3 videos only. For example, first quiz and assignments will be based on 1, 2, 3, lesson 1, 2, 3, and the next one will be on lesson 4, 5, 6. The next one will be on the lesson 7, 8, 9 and so on. Therefore, please don't try to watch everything at the same time. Please watch it very carefully, very leisurely, and have a happy learning. Thank you, friends. If you have any confusion, if you have any doubt, you can call Zonal Institute of Educational Training, Mumbai at any time and get your doubts clarified. And I hope that you will enjoy this course. Happy learning, friends.